Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a nautical wreath. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the macrame cord that I purchased from Amazon that I'm going to be using with the Dollar Tree wreath. And the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of tighten the ends. And I'm going to turn the wreath over and apply the glue gun to the cord and attach it to the wreath. And you'll just want to make sure it's nicely secure. I continued wrapping the cord around the wreath, and every 3 or 4 wraps I would apply the hot glue gun just to secure it. But you don't have to glue each time you wrap around. You can just do it every 3 or 4 times. So I did that, and you'll want to hold it after you glue it. You'll want to make sure to hold it for a few seconds just to make sure it's secure before you continue on. And that is all I did. I just kept wrapping it around the loop over and over and applying the glue every 3 or 4, and just taking your time doing it, and that was it. I think the nautical wreath looked really nice. If I had just left it as is, it was really nice. And but I wanted to go ahead and decorate it as well. So I bought some wood cutouts from the Dollar Tree, and I used a whale, and I painted those with acrylic paint, and then I used a Mod Podge spray just to seal it. And then at the end, I wanted to end up doing using some anchors, and I couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, so I actually just made some using basswood and the Cricut, and it cut it out. And then I painted those as well, and then I used the Mod Podge spray to seal it. And at the end, I will show you the wreath decorated and show you how I applied it with the glue gun. And that's it. So anyway, let's just keep watching, and we'll get to the end, and I'll show you how I did it.